السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا بكم في قناة Learn English. لاحظت إن كتير من الأطفال بيتلخبطوا بين الصوتين، صوت الإي إي إي وكمان الصوت التاني اللي هو صوت الآ for egg. فحبيت إني أعمل حلقتين منفصلتين، أتكلم وأراجع عن صوت الإيه وكمان أتكلم وأراجع على صوت الآ بس كل صوت يكون في حلقة منفصلة عشان يفصلوا بينهم تماما. وإن شاء الله لما ناخد عدد من الwords الكلمات، وكمان ممكن ناخد إن شاء الله reading text نص قراءة، كمان كده هنعمل تثبيت نهائي إن شاء الله للصوتين والفرق بينهم، ومش يتلخبطوا بينهم تاني، وكمان يثبت معاهم للنهاية إن شاء الله. خلونا نبدأ حلقة اليوم. Hello, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today we have a review, not a new sound. Yes, we have studied and learned that sound before. Which sound is it? The sound I, ink. The sound what? The sound I. Can you remember? Yes. Now we can remember the sound I, ink. What's ink? This ink. Yes. I. Can you remember the action? This is the action. Ink. Ink. Good job. Now let's look at the word ink. Okay, let's start reading some random words with I sound. It. Again, it. In. Hit. Hit. Pit. Pit. Sit. Sit. Okay, who can tell me which is this sound? What's this sound? Which sound is it? It's I. I for ink. Ink. It. In. It. Hit. It. Hit. It. Pit. It. Pit. It. Sit. It. Sit. Tin. Tin. Bin. Tin. Pin. What's this? What can you see? What's this? This is a tin bin. A tin bin. Yes, we have a bin. This is a bin. This is the bin. What's this? This is bin. Bin. Inside bin, we threw the tin. We threw the tin. So, this is tin. Tin. So, it's a tin bin. A tin pen. Okay, you can look at this picture and you can know it more and more. This is a tin bin. What's this? A tin bin. A tin bin. Excellent. Good job. So, can you tell me which sound is it? Yes, this is ink. Can you read? Okay, let's read. It. In. it, hit. P, it, pit. S, it, sit. T, in, tin. B, in, bin. Tin, pin. This is a tin bin. Tin, bin. Excellent. Good job. Now let's read. Yes, let's read. We have a reading text with E sound. Now let's read. Ready? Yes, ready. Okay, let's start. P, mib. And, and. Nib. In. The. Tin. Bin. Now let's read again. Mip and nip in the tin bin. Now let's read the text. Ready? Yes. Okay, let's start. Rat, a rat. Tin. Bin, a tin bin. The rat is in the tin bin. The tin bin. Zid. The kid. Zid, the kid. A lid. Zid puts the lid on the tin bin. This is nib. Nib is a fat, cat. Nib is a fat cat. Now let's read again. Mib and nib in the tin bin. Mib and nib in the tin bin. A rat, a tin bin, a tin bin. The rat is in the tin bin. The rat is in the tin bin. Zid, the kid. Zid, the kid, a lid. Zid, the kid, a lid. Zid puts the lid on the tin bin. Zid puts the lid on the tin bin. This is nib. This is nib. This is nib. Nib is a fat cat. Nib is a fat cat. Can you read this text? Please try to read and send me a record or a video. Hope you have enjoyed and you have learned it. Thank you and goodbye.